all pot. So we have some steamed fish right here. Yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking it lumberjack. We have some stewed chicken right there. We have some rice and peas. Also we have some caramel porridge. We have some steamed fish and crackers same here. Yeah. We have some curry cow foot. We have some curry chicken. We have some brown stew chicken. We have some fried mango chicken. And we have some curry mango chicken CNSP. We have macaroni and chicken. Also, I'll update on the stew chicken. See stew chicken and peeps. Stew chicken. See stew chicken there, yeah, my peeps. Also some country style stew chicken. Aki and Frank's saltfish. We have some home style brown stew chicken peeps here, you can see. Yeah man, nice eatable. We have some country style brown stew chicken back peeps here. And so we have some curry cow foot, broad bean, here my peeps. See cow foot there. We have to brown it up and cook it down. Curry cow foot, see cow foot they go on the serve me. I throw it up and think please remember for like and share. And see there now we have some curry uncut chicken back peeps here. So we have some country style chicken there, brown stew, yeah my peeps. See there we have some curry chicken again also. Country style curry chicken peeps. You can see we have some brown stew, country style pork. Yeah man, see pork they eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember all pot peeps, please like and share. We have some brown stew fish. Yeah man, so we actually spice pan it along Irish carrot, onion and everything cook up, isn't it? I say stew pork there peeps again. We have some fish tea right there, so turbot fish tea. We have some brown stew fish to see them here. So we have french fries sauce up there, eatable, tasteable. We have some curry chicken back peeps, you can see. Yeah man. We have some country style chicken, I brown up in a pot them peeps. Curry sardine there, yeah, peeps. Sauce up, porridge, yeah my peeps, tasteable, delicious, nice, eatable, drinkable. Some french fried chicken foot my peeps, you can see. Yeah man, french fry chicken foot. We have some curry mutton in a pot there, some peeps, you can see it right there. Eatable, tasteable, see brown stew. Sorry beer oxtail peeps, remember brown stew, sorry beer oxtail, remember all pot my peeps. All pot, see french fry oxtail, french fry oxtail, yeah my peeps, that tasteable, delicious, eatable. We have shrimp and egg sweet corn recipe, yeah man, remember shrimp and egg sweet corn recipe. We have some fish there, bassa filet, broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, a whip thing and mango. Yeah my peeps, some french fry bassa filet fish there. Yeah my peeps, you can see wine stew pork there. Yeah my peeps, see country style brown stew, rice with chicken, country style brown stew. So we have some nice tasteable curry. See fish are fried on and thing them my peeps, yeah. Fish there, see plantain there. We have some pigtail, mango pigtail, my peeps. It's a tasteable, remember? Mango pigtail. It's a nice, eatable, delicious. We have some nice chicken there, country style chicken, my peeps, yeah. See it there? Yeah, man, so it's cook down. I put the ketchup and thing in it, my peeps, and thing and spice up it, you see. We have some country style curry, chicken and rice with yam, everything like dumpling. We have some peanut soup, see my peeps, see peanut soup there, well tasted, everything in the peanut soup, my peeps, okra, peas, salt beef, pigtail, corn, pork, whole heap of thing. See peas there, yeah, we are going to pressure the peas with beef and cow skin. We are putting some spice in the peeps, so we have to pressure on the peas nice and eatable. See, there, see strong back there, yeah man, this a breed. Any girl strong back. We have some roast breadfruit right there, so peeps, remember, see roast breadfruit, the delicious, eatable. Peeps, you can see Frank's and the saltfish. We have to fry it up together, yeah my peeps. And see me I bite the big dumpling there. And I tell you say dumpling nice, me I cut the peeps, watch I go and bite it again. Yo, me I tell you, yeah my peeps, see pot there. Remember say all pot now peeps, so we have to like and keep some pumpkin rice there, yeah. We have some curry, pumpkin, chicken, my peeps. Remember, curry, pumpkin chicken. The recipe I taste if you like and share.